last day in Canada. Cross the border, get to my next campsite. It's like 5 hours away, Whidbey Island. Go stay at the base. Probably thinking about a week. Tried reserving online. It wasn't working, I don't know why. We'll just have to show up and hope for the best. It is a weekday. Not likely the weekend's going to be packed. So yeah, that's it for Canada. Crossing the border back into the big old USA. Just keep driving closer and closer to higher concentrations of COVID. And if you look at the results of countries that have higher rates, you wouldn't go to the US, but gotta go home, right? So let's pack this thing up and get on the road. 5 hours of driving, 3.5, probably 4 to get to the border. Probably an hour at the border, 6 hours just after 10. About 3, 4 o'clock, I'll get to the base, get all set up. Yeah, let's go.
When you're feeling down and low, you ain't got no place to go. You're reaching for that higher ground. No one else seems to be around. Yeah. When you're lost, can't find your way. It takes so much just to get through the day. Trust that hope deep inside, yeah. And let that be your guide, yeah. So lift your head up high, with arms open wide. Let that voice inside set your spirit free, and just be. What do you want from your life? Is it struggle or is it strife? Imagine what you could do if you just believe in you. So lift your head up high, with arms open wide. Let that voice inside set your spirit free, and just be. Oh, you should know it takes patience to make things grow. If you love this living, you'll love it. Don't be afraid. perfect harmony. Your heart is a chorus that sets us free. You inspire me entirely. Take me higher, please. And I know now without you, joy couldn't be found. Without you, silence wouldn't miss your sound. Without you, my feet couldn't leave the ground. Without you, without you. Every day I search for something true, looking closely for the way that would lead me somewhere new, to help me know how to grow and how to show the love I have for you. Without you, joy couldn't be found. Without you, silence wouldn't miss your sound. Without you, my feet couldn't leave the ground. Without you, without you, without you, joy couldn't be found. Without you, silence wouldn't miss your sound. My feet couldn't leave the ground. Without you, without you.
Today's driving from British Columbia to Whidbey Island, Washington. You'll see the rain shadow effect that the mountains create. Because on one side, when I started to drive, it was all dry. And I went through a stretch of road where they just had a fire, forest fire, like a couple weeks ago, I think. I've had enough time that they were able to put most of the power poles all back up. But you can see all the debris and the burnt cars and everything that's still not been cleaned up. And I crossed the mountains, Jackass Summit of all places. At Jackass Summit, when I crossed over, it was all wet, moist area. And then I got further out here to the coast and it's kind of dried off. No burn notice going on right now. Now, most of the campgrounds I've been at have been pretty much empty, except for the one in Anchorage at the base, and here it would be at this base as well. These places are almost packed. I didn't find a spot till Monday. I have to leave on Monday. There was no vacancy after Monday, surprisingly. Weird.